Today you will learn how you can easily install Google Play Store on your laptop or PC, even if you have a low-end laptop or PC, and you would be able to install a Google Play Store in it and play games like Free Fire, PUBG, Mobile Legends, and all those games. So first of all, you will have to open any of your browser of your own choice, and now you will have to go to Google. Now you'll have to go to google.com, open it, and in the search bar you'll have to search Momo Player download. Now you'll have to open the first website. Basically, Momo Player is designed for low-end PCs, especially low-end laptops and low-end PC, and you can download it, and then you would be able to install, run Google Play Store and install all the Android games on your laptop and PC. So now you'll have to scroll down. You can also click on download for Windows, or you can simply click on this Windows button, and it will start downloading the Momo Player setup like this. You can see. Now, once it's downloaded, you will have to go to the location where you have downloaded it. I have already installed it. So I would, open it from here. I will go to downloads, then click on open file. Now you'll have to click on yes. Now a pop-up will appear and it would start installing Momo Player on your laptop. Now you'll have to click on install now, or before that you can click on a custom installation so that you can choose the path, then click on install. I will download it in the same drive, then hit install now. Now it's 758 MBs and it might take 5 to 6 minutes in my case, maybe less, but it depends on your internet connection speed. So I am pausing the video, and once it's installed, I would continue the video. Now once the installation is completed, a pop-up like this will appear in front of you. Now you'll have to click on accept. And now an Android device will appear in front of you like this. Now Momo Player is opened, and you will have to click on allow access. Now for the first time it may take some extra time to launch, but after that it will launch whenever you will open it. Now the emulator is opening. After that it will open, and you would be able to see an interface like this. Now you will have to click on gadget, and then click on Play Store, and you will be able to use Play Store on your laptop or PC, whatever you have. Now you can see Google Play Store is opening. Now you'll have to click on sign in. Now once you open Google Play Store, all you will have to do is to sign in to your Google account, and then you would be able to download any game or app on your laptop or PC, whatever you have. So I hope this video helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.